Hello dear student, welcome again. In SSC board algebra paper, there is one very important topic, that is solve two variable equation by Cramer rule. One method is given in the textbook, two more method I will introduce for Cramer rule. This is very easy, very interesting and important for SSC board exam, and with that challenge I am introducing this method, that these two methods you will not find in any digest. So let's start how to solve two variable equation by Cramer rule. First, convert both the equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Ax by is equal to c. Ax by is equal to c. First step, you have to copy coefficient a1 a2, that is 5 2, that is 3. Just copy minus 11 minus 10. Then give it name, that is ra, ma, ana. From three alphabet you can make a spelling ra, ma, ana. From that three same alphabet we can form another spelling, that is ma, ra, ran. Ravana, maran. Now where is ma, ma? So copy. Where is ra? Just copy. Ana, copy. Now divide this into determinant. This is first determinant, this is second determinant, this is third determinant, and this is here d, this is here dx, this is here dy. So how to solve determinant? For example, d, dx, dy. Always you take this product. 5 for the 20. This 11 for the 44. That is minus 50. Then minus. Then rest of two product 6, rest of two product minus 30, rest of two product, that is also minus. Now find out the answer. D is what? 14. Dx is minus 44 plus 30 is equal to minus 40. Dy is equal to minus 50. Minus plus 22 means minus 28. Now how to find out x is equal to dx by d. How to find y? That is dy by d. What is dx? Find out. 14. What is d? Find out. 14. When you will cancel, you will get 1. So your answer is x is equal to 1. Y. This is dy is 28, d is 14, so this is minus 2. So your solution or intersection of two lines, x first. One method is given in the textbook by formula. Second is Ramana-Marana method. Now third method, same by Cramer rule. Again, convert equation in the form of ax plus dy plus c. Sorry, ax plus dy is equal to c. Now, like this, again, first step, just copy a1 a2 means 4, 6, b1 b2, 3, 5, c1 c2, 4, 8. Now, in textbook one method is given, that is formula method. Second method I have introduced, that is Ramana-Marana method. Third method, the name of third method is Hart method. Why it is? Observe carefully. See the direction of arrow from first to second, third to second, first to third. Now collect that. First to second means 4, 6, 3, 5. Third to second, 4, 8, 3, 5. First to third, 4, 6, 4, 8. Correct? Now, this is your D, this is your dx, this is your dy. Now, again, determinant value d dx dy. How to find out the determinant value? First take this product, 20. First take this product, 20. Take this product. 6 3s are 18. 8 3s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 20 minus 18, only 2. 20 minus 24, minus 4. 32 minus 24 is 8. Now, x is equal to dx by d is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. And y is equal to dy by d, that is 8 by 2, that is 4. So, point of intersection or the solution, x first. So, because of the shape, I have given the name Hart method. And from these two solving, I have solved this. That is why it is Ramana-Marana. Two more example I am giving you for the homework. Try this. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. 3x plus 5y is equal to 8. Second, 4x minus 2y is equal to minus 4, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 16. By both the method, try to solve these two examples and send me your answer on my personal number. Don't send any message on group, so I can correct that you are getting my new ideas or not. And please give your feedback that you are following this method, you are doing drill work on this method, it is good for you, or something more you want. Whatever your suggestion, you can give. Thank you very much.